Hi, everyone. I'm Betsy Crouch with the At the Bench segment of the Incubator podcast. I'm here at the Synchrony 2025 conference from the Brain Foundation. And with me is the founder of the Brain Foundation, Dr. Pramila Srinivasan. Thank you so much for joining me. Could you please tell our listeners about the Brain Foundation?
The Brain Foundation's primary goal is to get the standard of care for individuals with autism spectrum disorders. So right now there is no standard of care, and the patients and the parents, caregivers, everybody is struggling to get access to medical care. And for those that really need it the most, who cannot articulate for themselves, this is a serious need that needs to be remedied in the near future. And so we started at the very foundation, funding basic science research, and then getting physicians to come and talk about their experiences with various drugs and protocols on this population. And now we are actually looking at multi-center clinical trials. We had eminent institutions like Stanford and UCS have come to the conference, and
Thank you.
come all the way. They've come all the way from their institution to be here among the families and also talk about the trial design. So, which is to me the gold standard of how we need to develop evidence-based care.
Yeah, I mean, I think this is really the next frontier, which is research that is done in collaboration, right? I think, across different perspectives. So thank you so much for having me. I think to ground us, autism spectrum disorders are an emerging neurodevelopmental condition in our preterm babies. So it's something that we really need to be paying more attention to, even though we can't see it yet. Although that's emerging also in our patients who are here in the NICU. So, thank you so much for joining us again.
Thank you so much for
Thank you for having me.
talking.
Yeah, as you can tell, I've just been really inspired. So I hope our audience also finds this interesting, and feel free to check out the Brain Foundation.